explaining you about matrix, not about the one you watch in movies. So matrix is just, you can say, it is the arrangement, or it's the rectangular array of numbers. Changing my pen color pen for it so you can get it more. So it is the rectangular arrangement, or you can say array of numbers. So what you do mean by array is that it is just, you can say, collection or a random collection of anything is array in a particular order. So you represent a matrix with a capital letter and then its element with the small letters. Here I have making some mistake when I was showing it. So it's going to be like, so where is my black pen? I J M into N. So here IJ is the, you can say, identification of that element or the location of that element in the matrix, and M cross N is the order of a matrix, or here M is the number of rows and N in the number of columns. So let us suppose this is a matrix. We have taken matrix B and it has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 its elements. So this is the row 1, row 2 and row 3 are the rows, and this is the column 1, column 2 and column 3. So then if I want to find element 1, 3, so it's going to be number of row 1 is the row and number third is the column. So 3 is going to be the answer here. Again, I'm going to further explain you the types of a matrix. So the thing, type of a matrix is called row matrix or row vector when the number of rows, or you can say M, is 1. So it has just got one row, so it is called row matrix. If it just got one column, so it is just one column and there are three rows, so you can write is a first you write rows and then you write columns, so it's 3 multiplied by 1. Here 1 is the just one column, that's why it is called column matrix or column vector. Then again there is an important matrix called null matrix. As the word null suggests, it is going to deal with something zero. So if every element of that matrix is zero, then it is called null matrix. And there is also a particular thing I want to talk about is called rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. So a rectangular matrix, as the rectangle name suggests, when its sides are not equal, or you can say when m is not equal to n, or another word you can say that when m is not equal to n, that is when rows is not equal to column, that type of matrix is called rectangular matrix. So row matrix and the column matrix is also an example of rectangular matrix. That's all. Thank you.